Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 294, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Smith, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Russell County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Scott County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Wise County in southwestern Virginia, central Washington County in southwestern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Trammell, or 13 miles east of Wise, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Abingdon, Lebanon, Cleveland, Virginia, Coburn, Glade Spring, St. Paul, Dunion, Emory Meadow View, Rosedale, Lindell, Castlewood, Holston, and Hansonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.